Hey guys, it's Keira here. Welcome back to the Subtl YouTube channel. If I look a little bit different today, it's because I got my lash extensions removed. I believe it's just temporary. I'm seeing how I like it, but I was having some allergies, so I just needed a break. This is giving me the opportunity to kind of play around with some new makeup looks again. I've also been having some breakouts, so today we're going to do a medium coverage makeup routine with a foundation. It's been a while because normally I just use the Subtle Beauty concealer to like spot conceal, but today I felt like doing a little bit more full coverage because again, I don't have the eyelashes on. So without further ado, let's dive in. First things first, I'm using the Light Reflecting Foundation in the color Deauville. This might be a little bit light for me right now, but we will see. I usually do about 2 to 3 pumps, and then I use a damp beauty blender. I run it under the water, squeeze it, and then squeeze it into a clean like paper towel. And then I'm just gonna lightly tap this on. Yeah, I feel like this is a little bit lighter than my actual coloring right now, but that's okay. We'll add some color back in with bronzer. And I usually like to leave my nose not concealed, and then I just kind of take the foundation like up to the center of my forehead, leaving some parts uncovered. Helps it look a little bit more natural. Okay, and then at the start of doing my makeup, I always like to apply some lip balm. This is the Zestination Cocoa. I just love the smell and the feel of this one. It's gonna help hydrate my lips for when I am ready for some lip and cheek. Okay, next is a little bit of concealer. Again, we're going in with 3N. I just ordered 4N because again, like I'm just a little bit darker than I normally am. Like sometimes you have to mix 2 concealer colors. We'll see if the 4N is more my color. This concealer just, again, it just applies so smooth, so creamy. I love it. A little bit up here. Okay, perfect. Now, next we're gonna do some bronzer. Especially when I do a full foundation, I like applying this cream like bronzer contour stick first and then applying the powder bronzer on top just to give it a really good bronze look that will stay throughout the day. So I usually apply a little bit here. I used to do like the straight line, but I really don't want this to look too contoury. I'm just using it to like warm up my face. I'll usually put some on the nose, bring it in, and then sometimes I'll put just like a little bit here, cross them at the chin, and that's usually good. And make sure to kind of tap and swipe rather than just taking your bronzer and like pressing and gliding. Is this other end that's skinnier. See how it's just kind of warming up the face? This is what we want. Blend it all out. I use this like more flat end for the nose. Okay, now that the bronzer is done, let's go ahead and add in some highlighter. I'm actually gonna do the Gin Fizz highlighter. I was about to do champagne, but Gin Fizz is the newest highlighter that Subtle Beauty has, and it is just so fun. I love it. They're both really beautiful colors. Gin Fizz is just like a little bit more highlightery, dramatic. For highlighter, I like this brush from the 4-piece brush set. Oh wait, we need lip and cheek. Oh my gosh, I'm crazy. Okay, next we're gonna go in with lip and cheek in Runway to Rose. I'm just gonna use a little bit here. Oh, that was a lot of it. Oh well. I like just using 2 fingers to apply. And I really just, as you can see, do this light tapping motion, and it works really well, especially when you have a dewy foundation on underneath. It just blends out beautifully. Then I'm gonna take a little bit here just to kind of give that sun-kissed look since we are going into summer. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to the lips now. Okay, transparently, I could not find Runway to Rose for a little while, and I'm so happy I found her because this color is just, it's my favorite. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the highlighter in Gin Fizz. Already got a little bit on this brush, just gonna swipe it on and then go in the middle with the highlight. This highlight is just so pretty. Okay, I have to be careful not to go overboard. All right, now guys, truth be told, like I know I don't have lash extensions right now, but this could be a full makeup look, okay? You don't have to have a full eye look to be done with makeup. Like, it is 2024, no eyelashes or minimal eyelashes are a very big trend. So just want to add that in, that like we don't even have to keep going, but I'm going to. Okay, for eyeshadow, since we're doing a very like summery look, I'm gonna use the Staycation Duo. First, I'm gonna use my dry brush cleaner, and I'm gonna first go in with Gin Fizz actually as my light color. And just put it on the inner half of the eye. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with the shimmer shadow in Staycation and do it on the outer half. And then I'm gonna use the matte in the crease. I'm gonna use the dry brush cleaner here real quick. I love using this for eyeshadow shades because it gets most of the color right off. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with this matte color with the angled eyeshadow brush and just swipe, swipe, swipe. The level of pigment in these eyeshadows is so good. All right, and then again, because I don't have the lash extensions right now, I'm going to do like a powder little winged liner. So I'm using this dark eyeshadow shade in Dune and this little tiny brush. I dip the edge into it and I pat it off. Okay, and then when applying, I kind of have hooded eyes. You see that? So I can't just like draw a little straight line. So you have to look straight on at your mirror. Keep your eye open. Don't close your eyes if you have hooded eyes when you're doing a winged liner. Okay, I'm making this very subtle, but as you can see, it still does elongate and bring up my eye. Now let's do the other side. Okay, I think that looks super pretty. One thing about not having lash extensions is I feel like it makes the blueness in my eyes pop, and maybe it's just like this eyeshadow combo too, but I'm really liking it. Okay, last step is to curl my lashes. They are very straight and not very long because I've had extensions on for so long. But one tip for curling the lashes, pinch once and then kind of angle it and then pinch again. And then I'm going in with the voluminous mascara. I don't know, you guys let me know what mascara are you liking. Again, I haven't bought mascara in like a year because I haven't needed to. This is a pretty decent one, especially for like drugstore pricing. Oh my gosh, you guys, my eyelashes are so stick straight. That's part of the reason that I have lash extensions too normally. Okay, this doesn't look bad. At this point, when my lashes are still wet, I actually take a hair dryer and on like cool or warm setting, blow my eyelashes up to make them curl and stay. Because I'm a crazy person when it comes to mascara. I also really like using two. All right, and there we have the final makeup look. I really love how this turned out. Again, I'm getting used to my face without the lash extensions, but being able to do a full face of makeup feels really good. Let me know what you guys think of the mascara look versus my normal eyelash extensions. I'll pop a photo up here. Do you think I should get them back on? Do you think I should keep it with the more natural look without the extensions? Let me know your thoughts. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to buy any of the products I used in the video, you can customize your own stack at subtlebeauty.com. And make sure to leave any suggestions for videos or questions that you guys have down below, because I love hearing from you guys and creating looks and videos that you want to see. Don't forget to subscribe. We also post videos every single Sunday. Bye.